At Saving Grace Engineering Technology Company Limited, your utmost satisfaction is the utmost aim of production. This product suffered from a fatal charging port failure due to misplaced input matching. However, it has been fixed, and not just by changing the charging port but by changing the entire battery management system connected to it. This means that the customer is now going to have an almost brand new product. Wow! This is high-level satisfaction indeed, especially when the customer has nothing to pay for the repairs if this happens due to factory error. This is what I present to you. Reliability, efficiency, portability, mobility, from an indigenously crafted design. Don't think twice, don't waste time, reach us now and order for this portable lighting gadget, and you won't regret it.